Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. In today's video, I'll be sharing patterns for 3 zodiac signs. I have tried to incorporate the zodiac signs elements, its symbols and its color palette in every design. So keep watching the video to the end to know how I had included those into the mandala. We shall start designing the first zodiac sign, the Pisces. The radius of this mandala is 5 cm and its inner radius is 2.5 cm. I am painting the center circle with white and the outer circle in black. On top of white, I'll be creating a galaxy theme. This particular pattern will be very fit for a coaster because the size is just 5 cm. So here the colors used are from Fevicryl acrylic paint, and for the first time I'm trying out matte acrylic chalk paint from Little Birdie. For the grid lines or the guidelines, what I am doing is I have drawn a circle with 5 cm as radius and I have just cut down the paper, and I'll be folding it based on the quadrants I require. So once I have folded to how many quadrants I wanted, I'll be cutting the cone on the corners. Once you unfold the paper, you can see the guidelines. So after tracing the guidelines onto the paper or the surface where you paint, I'll be joining the lines across. When I searched Pinterest for color palettes inspiration, I found couple of color palettes for each and every zodiac sign, and the color palettes which I have listed on the left is a color palette for Pisces. So I'm just trying to stick to the color palettes, and that was the reason I'm just trying out this Little Birdie chalk paint. Why? Because there were lots and lots of shades. So the third shade, the yellow color, I'm just trying it here. The details of the colors and the names of it will be given in the description box below. As you all know, the symbol of Pisces is fish. So I wanted to include the fish here. So here what I have done is I have drawn guidelines of 1 cm apart. You will not be able to see here, but I have drawn 1 cm circle. So I'll be drawing a symbol relating to fish, but I'll be filling it with the mandala designs there. For the fish pattern, I'm just using Tuscan teal chalk paint. What happened was this color was a perfect match to the palette, but once it got dried, the color became dark. So if you want to match the same exact color as the color palette, you can mix a sky blue shade of any acrylic paint with this Tuscan teal, and you can achieve the same color when compared with the color palette. The fish has to have eyes, right? So I'm just filling it with a single dot of yellow color, and for the rest I'll be creating a swishes with lighter shade of pink. For the tail, I'm just using a lavender blush from the chalk acrylic matte paint. So this was the color which I had matching to the color palette. I didn't want to specifically follow the exact colors of which the fishes have. It can be, it's like a design, mandala design, right? But it is a theme just I was challenging myself for. So I'm just using the color palettes and implementing all those elements in it. So here too I'll be creating swishes to represent the tail. We are about to complete this mandala pattern for the zodiac sign, the Pisces. When I look at it, I just see like yellow color is being dominated. So here what I'm doing is I just wanted to fill it with lots of blue. That will be the color which comes to our mind when we think of Pisces. So here I'm creating a fin with the Tuscan teal, and the rest of it, wherever there is space, I will fill it with the same Tuscan teal color so that the blue color will get dominated throughout the design. I have always been fascinated with the constellation patterns. So I just wanted to create constellation patterns in the mandala. So I'm just drawing the constellation pattern for the Pisces, and I'll just be connecting it and completing this particular mandala. Now let's move on to the next symbol, the Aquarius. So here for this particular Aquarius zodiac sign, the color palette is on the right. I'm just creating the galaxy theme on the center. The symbol for Aquarius is water bearer. So I'll be creating the mandala based on the water bearer. Water bearer is something like when you search in Google, you will find a man having a pot wherein from pot the water will be flowing. So that is a concept and a theme for this particular zodiac sign. For the guidelines, I have drawn circles. Each circle will be like a width of 0.5 centimeter apart. For this particular mandala, I am not creating 1 centimeter difference. Here I am just creating 0.5 centimeter difference. I have drawn the water bearer guidelines. It's like a pot. So for the pot, I just thought I can use the orange color which is in the color palette. So this was also the chalk paint from the little birdie. So I'm just drawing the first swishes, and I'll be creating gradient of orange color by mixing it with a white color shade, so that the pot will have 3 shades of orange color. For this half circle, I have used Tuscan teal, and for the other petals or the dots which I am doing it now, I have created this shade by mixing multiple colors of green with sky blue color. I couldn't achieve the first color which is on the top, but this could match the bottom shade of green. So I have created this particular design based on the color palette from the bottom. Later on during the mandala designing, I have changed the half circle color. Why? Because it got dried up and the color got changed. So I had mixed Tuscan teal with sky blue and I have applied on top of it. And also for this particular swishes, I have used lemon yellow shade from Fevicryl Acrylic Colors. The color details for each and every pattern will be shared in the description box below. Also, I will be sharing the timeline as to when and where the mandala design will be available throughout the video. So if you click on the timeline, you can jump onto the specific mandala. Now I'm just using the same shade of orange color to place a dot, and I'll be continuing the pattern. For this particular zodiac sign Aquarius, I have used 2 additional shades, that is white color shade and the light pink shade, which I had used in the previous mandala design. So since it had few color palettes, I had to just give a contrast, so I had included these 2 color palettes. See, you can see the light pinker shade. Wherever there is space, I am just filling it with the lighter shade here. As I said earlier, I am just using the lighter shade of orange by mixing it with white, and filling the particular pot pattern or the water bearer pattern here. To represent water inside the pot, I am just filling it with Tuscan teal color. Later on, I changed it into the lighter shade which I had used for the half circle by mixing the sky blue and Tuscan teal. Now creating a swishes representing the water flowing from the pot. I love this pattern the most. Why? Because I haven't tried this kind of color palettes ever before, and it was very vibrant and beautiful. So comment down below which was your most favorite zodiac patterns which I had created, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And now we will move on to the next zodiac sign, the Leo. The color palette for the zodiac sign Leo is on the right. Based on the color options, I'm just creating the galaxy theme. Also, when I was researching about Leo, I found the element as fire and it was related to sun. So I just wanted to, the galaxy theme to be based on the sun colors. So I have used lots of orange, yellow here, and I'll be implementing the element of Leo fire here in this particular mandala pattern. The width of each circle across this mandala is 0.5 cm, and I'm just drawing a tiny circle across the mandala. For the circle, I used lavender blush since the darker shade of purple was not complementing or not visible in this mandala design, so I have to use lavender blush. But finally, when I completed the pattern, I changed it into yellow color shade. Why? Because it was not complementing the whole design of the mandala. And now the pattern which I am doing is representing the sun. When it comes to sun, we will think of sun rays. So I just wanted to create a pattern representing sun rays here, and I'm just using the Tuscan teal. But this Tuscan teal color was also replaced as white when I completed the mandala. The reason being it was also not complementing. This one mandala I changed lots and lots of times. Why? Because I was not that much satisfied with the color choices. So I had to change then and there when I completed the mandala. You will see it in the final picture reveal. For the remaining space, I'm just using orange and yellow color shade, but later on, once at the end of the mandala, I just changed it into Tuscan teal color. In additional to the color palettes, I have used lighter pink shade and white color shade for the specific mandala. So inside the circle, I'm just drawing the fire symbol to complete the mandala. Please do ignore the fire symbol which is onto your left. It is not that much proper, but later on I corrected it. As I said earlier, I just changed the circle as yellow color, and for the sun rays pattern I have changed it into white color. And I'm just completing the Leo constellation on the center. Now we have come to the end of this video. Hope you all like these patterns. I have put a lot of thoughts in creating these mandala designs, and you will see lots of more videos on the series. If you had liked this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and thanks a lot for watching.